Ladies and gentlemen, this is Miss Grand International 2025. Are you ready for this year's Miss Grand International Grand Coronation Night? This is Nel2204, your pageant blogger host. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers. This is your update from the Miss Grand International straight from Hua Hin, Thailand. At talagang pinag-uusapan ngayon si Miss Grand Philippines 2025, ang napakaganda at matalino nating queen na si Emma Mary Tiglao. Bakit nga ba? Dahil sa kanyang standout performance during the preliminary closed-door interview. During the closed-door interview, Emma Tiglao impressed everyone with her confidence, wit, and sincerity. Her answers were clear, heartfelt, and full of meaning, truly representing the beauty of soul of a Filipina. Present during the interview were the President Mr. Nawat Itzharagrisil, Madam Teresa, and the reigning Miss Grand International CJ Opiasa, at kitang-kita raw ang paghanga nila kay Emma. Emma answered every question with grace and depth, showing not just intelligence but compassion, the kind of queen who inspires others beyond beauty. Bukod sa kanyang magaling nasagutan, umani rin ng papuri ang kanyang suot, isang intricately woven solihiya ensemble made by the resident basket weaver inmates of BJMP San Fernando City Jail. Isang simbolo ng pag-asa, pagkakaisa at pagmamahal ng mga Pilipino. Emma proudly shared that Filipinas woven in love. Honored to wear this intricately woven solihiya ensemble, a masterpiece of Filipino craftsmanship and compassion. Handcrafted by the resident basket weaver inmates of BJMP San Fernando City Jail. This piece reminds me of the strength, creativity, and resilience that define us as Filipinos. Truly, Emma's message touched many hearts, combining fashion, purpose, and advocacy in one powerful statement. Marami ang humanga sa kanya. Online, fans describe her as queenly, confident, and full of heart. Others said, Emma delivered her best version, yet calm, elegant, and inspiring. Even Mr. Nawat and Madam Teresa were visibly impressed, showing smiles and nods during her interview. Talagang stand out si Miss Philippines.